Honorable Raksha Mantri Ji, Shri Anthony, Air Chief Marshal, FH Major, PVSM, AVSM, SC, BM, ADC, Chief of Indian Air Force, Secretary to Government of India, Department of Defence Production, Shri Pradeep Kumar, President of the Aeronautical Society of India and Chairman and Managing Director, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Shri Ashok Baveja, Chairman, Seminar Organizing Committee and Chief Executive, Center for Military Airworthiness and Certification, Shri K. Kamilmani, distinguished invitees, delegates, industry executives and professionals from India and abroad, my scientific colleagues from DRDO, ISRO, CSIR, faculty and research workers from technical institutes and universities, and my dear students, members of print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen, I extend a hearty welcome to each and every one of you and wish you a very good morning on this 9th day of February 2009 in this beautiful city, a blend which exhibits a blend of knowledge and culture on the occasion of the inauguration of the 7th International Seminar Aero India 2009. May I say to our friends from abroad, Dobre Utra, Guten Tag, Bonjour, Shalom, Bonjour. The subject aerospace had been of great interest even in mythological India. Our Maharishis and Shirs have excelled in aerial warfare arts and in astral travels. It is said Maharishi Bor flew with 30,000 people on board a spacecraft way back in the millennium. The architect of modern India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, conscious of this glorious past and confident of building a resurgent India, stated, quote, "It's an inherent obligation of a great country like India, with its tradition of scholarship and original thinking and its great cultural heritage, to participate fully in the march of science, which is probably mankind's greatest enterprise today," unquote. True to the spirit of scientific India and based on the successful efforts of continued governments, India made signatures in the sky in the 21st century with its own very innovative products such as intermediate jet trainer, advanced light helicopter, light combat aircraft Tejas, strategic missiles consistent with the policies of this peace-loving democracy, and remote sensing and communication satellites. These limited yet significant accomplishments of a resurgent India got crowned with the Indian Space Research Organization planting the Indian tricolor firmly on the lunar soil on Nehru's birthday, 14th November 2008, when our Chandrayaan-1 orbiter fixed its moon impact probe with its own video imaging system, radar altimeter, and mass spectrometer onto the Earth's natural satellite. Likewise, DRDO established its technological prowess in demonstrating the endo and exo-atmospheric interception of simulated attack of adversaries' incoming ballistic missile as a part of its efforts towards building missile defense. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, has been working towards enhancing self-reliance in defense systems, the design and development of world-class weapon systems in the areas of space and military technologies, including aerospace systems and missiles, constitute a major segment of its core activities. DRDO has been proudly associated with projects such as light combat aircraft Tejas, strategic missiles such as Prithvi and Agni, tactical missiles such as surface-to-air missile Akash, and fire and forget anti-tank missile Nag, pilotless target vehicle Lakshya, and unmanned aerial vehicle Nishan. DRDO has also invested in new projects for the development of its own airborne early warning system for the Air Force early warning and control system for the Air Force, and the Kaveri engine for possible use in LCA later. A variety of surveillance, tracking, and fire direction radars related to these projects are also being developed, and some have already made their mark and have become a reality. As you all know, LCA Tejas is the world's smallest, lightweight, multi-role supersonic combat aircraft. It has been designed to meet the requirements of the Indian Air Force as its frontline multi-mission single-seat tactical aircraft. It has a double delta wing configuration with no tail planes and features a single vertical fin. The aircraft is constructed with extensive carbon fiber composites that constitute more than 40% of its structural weight. Its design has been configured to match the demands of modern combat scenario, such as speed, acceleration, maneuverability, and agility. Other features of the design include short takeoff and landing, excellent flight performance, enhanced flight safety, damage-tolerant design, reliability, and ease of maintainability. It integrates modern design concepts and state-of-the-art technologies such as relaxed static stability, quadruplex digital fiber wire flight control system, advanced digital cockpit, multi-mode radar, integrated digital avionics system, and a flat-rated engines. There are 3 variants of LCA under manufacture, one for Air Force, one for the aircraft carrier for use by the Navy, and a dedicated trainer, which has the potential to become the supersonic leading fighter trainer. DRDO has also contributed to the avionics and electronic warfare architecture and hardwares for Sukhoi supersonic fighter and MiG-27 upgrade program. It's in discussions with Indian Air Force for similar upgrades to MiG-29 and possibly Mirage 2000. DRDO is also working towards exploiting the design skills and expertise acquired thus far to configure medium combat aircraft with increased stealth features, a medium range, long endurance, high altitude UAV, and possibly a UCAV when we succeed in building propulsion systems and control system parts wholly with indigenous materials of construction to tide over the governmental and business restrictions of the developed world. The ALH program of HAL has also added a feather to the Indian aerospace community. Dhruv, as it is called, is a multi-role, multi-mission helicopter in the 5.5 ton class developed and manufactured by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Dhruv is capable of flying at high altitude and has a twin-engine configuration. It is the first major Indian weapons system to have secured orders from our armed forces and is in the process of executing a few export orders.